Volkswagen has officially revealed the midlife facelift of its Tiguan SUV. The Tiguan is the brand's most popular SUV globally, with more than 6 million examples having been sold since the first generation car was launched back in 2007. I'm Gavin from Autocar India, and here is everything you need to know about the updated VW Tiguan. Right off the bat, you can see it's a clear departure from the very square and business-like look of the previous version, and more in line with newer VW SUVs like the T-Cross, T-Roc and Touareg. The grille is much larger now, and it angles upwards to merge with the headlamps. The headlamps themselves are slimmer, more angular and flow up into a narrow point, also using adaptive matrix LED beams with a new LED daytime running light signature. The front bumpers are considerably sportier with more pronounced air intakes. On the sides, things are largely the same apart from the addition of new alloy wheels and a bit more chrome depending on the variant. The rear isn't too different, but the tail lamp light signature has been redesigned and the bumper reprofiled. Oh, and the Tiguan badging has been relocated to the center of the tailgate. But what do you think of the exterior updates? Let us know in the comments below. The interior changes also bring the Tiguan in line with newer models, employing the latest version of VW's infotainment system and giving you the option of a larger touchscreen. Wireless Apple CarPlay is also offered alongside VW's WeConnect system, which includes live traffic data and numerous app-based functions. There's now natural speech voice recognition, and the 10-inch screen-based dials have also been updated. Other interesting bits include 2 illuminated USB Type-C ports in the center console, new multicolored ambient lighting, and the option of a touchscreen module for climate control functions in place of the physical dials. There's also touch-sensitive steering controls in place of buttons, and the old Dynaudio stereo upgrade, as we had in the Indian car, has been ditched in favor of a 480-watt 10-speaker Harman Kardon system. Now, these are almost certainly not coming to India, but overseas you will soon be able to buy 2 new versions of the Tiguan. First, the high-performance Tiguan R. It uses the VW Group's 4th generation E888 2-litre turbo petrol engine, and while an official power output hasn't yet been quoted, expected to be north of 315 horsepower. The 4-cylinder engine is mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox with all-wheel drive and a dynamic chassis control system that lowers the ride height by 10 mm. The Tiguan R also has fully variable torque vectoring, which can send power to whichever wheel needs it the most. The second new variant is the Tiguan e-Hybrid, which is of the plug-in variety. Again, its final outputs have not yet been revealed, but it will come with a TSI engine, over and above which its 30 kWh battery allows it to travel up to 50 km on electric power alone. And now on to the big question, what about India? VW India replaced the standard Tiguan with the longer 7-seat Tiguan Allspace earlier this year. However, we've heard that this facelifted 5-seat Tiguan will be coming back to India in the future. To set it apart from the larger Allspace, the 5-seat Tiguan will be powered by the 150 horsepower 1.5 TSI turbo petrol engine that you also find in the T-Roc and the Skoda Karoq. There will be no diesel engine on offer, at least not initially. The refreshed Tiguan in India will continue with a 7-speed DSG automatic, paddle shifters and features like hill descent control and an electronic parking brake. However, to keep costs down, the facelifted 5-seat Tiguan will likely ditch the all-wheel drive system and be front-wheel drive only for India, and as before will be assembled at VW's Chakan plant near Pune. Expect more aggressive pricing for the new Tiguan in India compared to the last time, somewhere in the range of 23 to 26 lakh rupees ex-showroom. Replacements for the Vento and Polo may be long overdue, but it's clear that the SUVW offensive is where Volkswagen is focusing its attention. What do you think about the Tiguan facelift? Is it an improvement on the previous version? Let us know in the comments, and be sure to like and share this video. And in case you haven't already, subscribe to the Autocar India channel for great auto content every day.